Listen and learn. Assalamu alaikum. Dear kids, today we will learn sight words and make sentences of these sight words. Let's read with me. Apple, apple. This is a red apple. This is a red apple. Cow, cow. I like my cow. I like my cow. Cow. Goat, goat. The goat is brown in color. The goat is brown in color. Goat. Car, car. This is a car. This is a car. Car. Duck, duck. This is a duck. This is a duck. Duck. Milk, milk. I like to drink milk. I like to drink milk. Milk. Grass, grass. The fresh green grass. The fresh green grass. Grass. Birds, birds. The birds are flying. The birds are flying. Birds. Sun, sun. This is a hot sun. This is a hot sun. Sun. Cat, cat. This is a cat. This is a cat. Cat. Elephant, elephant. Elephant is a wild animal. Elephant is a wild animal. Elephant. Bat, bat. This is a cozy bat. This is a cozy bat. Bat. Girl, girl. She is a cute girl. She is a cute girl. Girl. Tree, tree. This is a big tree. This is a big tree. Tree. These all are sight words. Thanks for watching.